Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss the Parliament sessions. That is about the question hour and the zero hour. But exactly what happens in Parliament? See here, especially there. See, in the morning, the Parliament starts at 11 a.m. and up to 11 to 12 p.m. 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. It is especially reserved for the rising questions or for the asking the questions, and hence it is called question hour. Okay, and after that, uh, 12 to 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. it is called zero hour. Then after that, 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. it is a reserved for the lunch. Then 2 p.m. onwards up to 6 p.m. it is its purpose is for the government business or legislative business. And apart from this Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha will runs from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. See, let us study one by one what is meant by question hour. The first question hour, the first hour of every sitting of Parliament is generally reserved for the asking and answering of questions. It is known as question hour. Then, what is zero hour? The zero hour is the time immediately following the question hour has come to be known as zero hour. It starts at around 12 noon, hence the name zero hour. And members can, with the prior notice to the speaker, raise issues of importance during this time. That is, public importance is discussed. Typically, discussions on important bills, the budget, and other issues of national importance takes place from 2 p.m. onwards. That is, from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. See exactly what happens in the question hour. Question hour that the members can ask questions activity. Government policies in national as well as international spheres come into sharp focus as the members try to elicit pertinent information during the question hour. That is what the uh, the discussion on the particular issue is issue particular issue is done. Okay. Government policies in national as well as international spheres come into sharp focus as the members try to react on particular matter information during the question hour. The government is as it were on during the question hour, and it has to stand answer for his or his administration acts on of omission and commission. Okay. So this is about the question hour. So then comes what is zero hour. See, it's most important from the exam point of view. Zero hour. See, as I earlier told, it is because of it starts at 12 p.m. Hence, it is the name zero hour. See, unlike the question hour, the zero hour is not mentioned in the rules of procedure. Rules of procedure. Okay. Nowhere it is mentioned here. Zero. Thus, it is an informal device available to the members of the parliament to raise matters without any prior notice. The zero hour starts immediately after the question hour and lasts until the agenda for the day. That is, the regular business is the time gap between the agenda is known as zero hour. It is an Indian innovation in the field of parliamentary procedure and has been in existence since 1962. Okay. So today we'll stop here. Thank you.